Martin Zeman, Maker Faire 2022. I'm now in front of Spectrum Filaments with Michael, and I will give him a microphone and I will let him to tell you what they have here news with what they arrived here. So, Michael, microphone is yours.
Thank you, Martin. Nice to meet you again. We saw each other already last year. So there happened a lot in the last 12 months for us. We developed 10 new materials, among others matte PETG, PCTG, which is a good alternative for standard and well-known PETG. For this year, we also planned to extend our industrial range with polyamides mixed with glass fibers and carbon fibers. Additionally, we are going to extend the portfolio with well-known and loved by our customers ASA material. There is coming ASA Kevlar and ASA carbon fibers. So thank you for coming, thank you for visiting us, and we hope to see you all next year.
Okay, thank you, and we will see each other on another place.